Interesting weather on the way for the weekend. If your question is it going to be warm tomorrow or cold tomorrow? The answer is yes, because temperatures are going to be all over the place tomorrow thanks to this wavy cold front that's going to be closing in from the north and the west as we head through tomorrow morning and midday. An hour later in the arrival time of this cold front than we currently expect, many more of us will be in the 80s. An hour or two earlier, some of us may not get out of the 60s here tomorrow. That's the sort of margins that we're dealing with here. Still a lot of warmth out there now and for the next few hours as we spend most of the evening and overnight hours in the 70s, dropping into the 60s to begin tomorrow morning. And then already parts of the hill country feeling the impacts to the northwest and the west of the arriving chillier air, yet many of us out ahead of it feeling some of the warmth already. And that warmth will help to build in, pushing some of you to near 80 or into the 80s by late morning. Mid-70s, some upper 70s in the metro, middle and upper 70s in our southeastern counties. And yet to the northwest as that colder air spills in, dropping into the 50s and 60s here by 11. I do think we all cool down as we head through the afternoon. Just the degree of cool down depends on just how warm you manage to get in the morning. But a lot of 60s and 50s here by 5, perhaps only a few spots in our southeastern counties still in the 70s by then. So plan on a morning or a midday high with colder air blowing in for the afternoon. And then the temperatures keep dropping tomorrow night, 50s and 40s at 9 Saturday night, and then 40s and even some 30s Sunday morning. Sunday afternoon, we think we'll claw our way back into the 60s, and that'll be about it for highs. It's also going to get windy as that chillier air blows in the afternoon and evening. Gusts 20 to 40 miles per hour, and the air is going to be pretty dry at that point too. So we've got a high fire danger. Red flag warnings for that fire danger in Gillespie, Blanco, Hayes, and Caldwell counties, those 20 to 40 mile per hour gusts. So do your part to prevent the development of any fires. There's also a low chance for rain. We've already seen a little bit of it tonight. A few spotty showers, even a low thunderstorm chance tomorrow morning. And then those shower chances disappear by late morning. And then it's just a sun-cloud mix here for tomorrow afternoon. So here's your weekend. We'll go with 78 in Austin. Very tricky temperature forecast though. Areas just to the north will be much cooler. We'll all be cooler on Sunday with more sunshine, still a breeze. Here's how we think temperatures go tomorrow. 60s to upper 70s, and then we're back in the mid 60s again by 4. And that's going to mean a chilly game at Q2 Stadium tomorrow evening. 60s turning into 50s. Sunday will be cool just all day, 40s turning into low 60s. And then watch out Monday morning. We could have some near freezes in the hill country. Then another big warm up, 70s turning into 80s, and we're back near 90 by Thursday.